How to install Google Play Store on PC or laptop. Quick guide. First, open Chrome browser or any web browser that is on your computer. Here type in Play Store. Hit enter on your keyboard. Open this first link. OK. Now click on this three-dot line at the upper right corner of your browser. If your browser is well updated, click on the Save and Share option. Move this side and then select Create a Shortcut. Here rename this to Google Play Store. Now click on Create. Done. Now you can go sign in with your account and install apps on your PC. That's how we can install the Google Play Store on PC or laptop. If you found it helpful, please like and share with your friends. See you next time.